brands which can use here. We can, there are different kind of platform. There are different kind of multiple type of income which Amolji has introduced over here. They have created an environment of growth and opportunities, and with that we all can enjoy multi kind of incomes. Like first there is income which we, if someone is joining, for free, then also we are enjoying 1,000 rupees cashback. And if we are means entertaining a person, like if someone is joining it by paying 1,000 rupees, it is giving us 1,000 rupees cashback again, and the person is also getting cashback again 1,000 rupees. So there are different kind of people, there are different kind of income. First of all, the quality policy which Amolji has confirmed us, like you would be getting 100% quality surety over there on this platform. Moreover, these days people are looking for home based business. So this is the business where we can sit at home, we can talk to people. Right now, 70 people, those are sitting at home, they're listening this opportunity, they are availing this opportunity. They would be enjoying different kind of income by joining this platform. This is e-commerce, and the m-commerce, we will be enjoying vitamin M. Everybody is understanding this. What is vitamin M? This is money. Vitamin M is money, which this platform is offering us. And Craze Life, I myself feeling like I'm getting crazy to, after joining this company, I am unable to sleep at night. Even I'm making list of people. I'm trying to talk to everyone, to my near and dear about this business. Previously, no doubt, if I'm networker, I was in company. But nowadays, I'm always thinking about this company, because this company has made me, during this lockdown period, when I was losing my salary, when I was losing my business, people are losing their business. Big malls are shutting down these days. No industry is developing this time. Only and only business is growing, that is network business, where we can work online, we can talk to people through this mobile device. Now we all are connected through this small device that is called mobile. So if you want to enjoy all these things, the only platform which has been introduced by Mr. Amol Bhatia, that is only crazelife.com. I personally have enjoyed, different vouchers of this company. One, Pizza Hut, from Chroma, and I personally visited to Okhla to see their office and everything. And the words which Amolji is, confirming us, that they are giving us surety, like all the leaders are safe here. So this is like, you don't have any fear to join this company. And if people are joining this company with the confidence, this company is also giving you the same confidence. Like, you need not to fear about this, because people sometimes say, like, if there is a transaction of money, so that company might, leave you anyway. But no, here if there are 190 brand in this platform, those are internationally renowned brand. So we have that much confidence, and we personally have enjoyed those vouchers and everything. So there's no fear about it. Come and join this company, and we would be, in future, we are going to be